Hey fellow Dota 2 fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your current ping in Dota 2 while you're in-game. To do this, first you need to hop in a game, which I currently am, and then press enter, -ping, ping, and press enter again. And your current ping will be shown on the top right side of your screen, right here. I'm going to do it once again. Enter -ping, enter again. And here it is, your current ping. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!